Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my scanner, charting scanner, which I have created for intraday. So already we doing made some videos. It's about an average daily range indicator. So based on trading view. So thanks for the friend who Trimal who shared this particular indicator, and such a good opportunity with this particular indicator. So how to use it already we discussed, and someone was asking more perfect. So here I'm just telling you how I'm using the scanner. Okay, so how I'm using this particular scanner for my intraday trade. So based on this ADR indicator, so why we are using a charting scanner? So whatever the stock which forming a such a pattern, we don't know in real market. So we can't able to track all the stock, all 184 F1 stock. I used this particular ADR indicator for intraday option trading. Okay, so and also I'm going to share you some details. And here it is works based on the some calculation and formula, and I find out through my friend. I was thankful to him. So because of he and this code, he was helping me to integrate on trading view. I used a free trading view, but this was a great tool, I think, for an intraday opportunity and quick scalping, as well as waiting for intraday up to 315 or 330. That is working very well. So don't skip the video. I'm going to give you some important hints on this video, and if you will just follow the steps and how we can get this. And also some indicator I have searched ADR ADR something like that. Here someone I find out ADR average daily range. So, but it is looks different, but I think both are same. But if I'm using this, it is slightly different. You can see the levels ADR. So somewhat it's different, but I'm not using that. So everyone was asking about the scanner, this code, but I don't know how to use it. But I'm such it is given by my student and a friend, and a lot of things is there, but I don't know which is exactly the perfectest. Okay, so you need to check this, and once it is you got it, and you can just go through with it. Okay, so this is the indicator which I'm using for my intraday trade. Okay, so then how do we create in a charting? So that we have already made the scanners and indicators. First of all, I will use this for a dashboard. Like if you are using a scanner, we can't track 3-4 patterns in a single scanner. So that's why I made the dashboard. So what is the help of this dashboard? I am taking 5 minutes. So 5 minutes and 15 minutes is the main time frame which I am looking for, and overall market also I'm just going to track. So what is happening? So today market is open with gap up and positive market. Hope you understood everyone, the gap up market and positive market. Okay, so I'm just looking for a call side. So in our dashboard, so there is a 3 dashboard which I provided for my student who attend who are joined on the premium telegram group. So why premium telegram group? There you can access all my premium scanners which is available. Already I created some of the scanners like a Camarilla, a breakout, and CPR indicators. So a lot of customized indicators which I have created, that I mentioned, or I am just added that particular scanners into in the group. So if you want to access the group, so there is a 70 plus scanners available. Okay, if you want, you can also join and you can access all my premium scanner for a lifetime. Okay, and this is also, this kind of scanners also, dashboard is also available on that particular group. Okay, so here this is what first 5 minutes. So 6 widgets which I used to find out a trade opportunities by using this ADR scanner. Okay, ADR, I'm using two ADR scanner. So one is for 5 period and another one is for a 10 period. So if you are looking at the chart, you will be easily know. So here is the 10 period and 5 period. So ADR 10 high and 10 5 high and 10 low and 5 low. Okay, in this two, I'm just comparing this two levels, ADR 5 as well as 10. Whichever is higher for a bullish side, whichever is lower for a bearish side, I'm just tracking with this particular scanner. how this scanner will work? About first 5 minutes candle. Here is the first 5 minutes candle which closes about to the ADR 10 5, whichever is higher. That is the condition. So today I seen sale, MPSs, GoForce, Nakuri, BSoft, Precision. Maybe this is end of the day result. Okay. But I seen in the morning there is a two stocks like GoForce, MPSs, and then third one is BSoft, and fourth one is sale. But the list is never repaint. First of all, charting scanner. So your condition is right. It never repaint. And same like that, the second scanner which I used for second 5 minutes, which closed above, but first one is not closed. First one is less than, and second one is greater than. Like that I use the condition. And third, this is what a third 5 minutes. And here we are looking for, this is what 15 minutes, first 15 minutes. If you are looking at this, and it never changes after 9:30, and this is never changes after 9:25, sorry, 9:20. This is never changes after 9:25. So this we see around 9:20, this we can look for a 9:25, this we can look for a 9:30, and this is what 9:30 and 9:40, 9:45, and this is what 10 o'clock. So these are all the thing which never repaints. And same like that we will create it for a downside also, but today's market condition is entirely positive. So let's look at this one. So first we can go for a MPSs. Okay, so I just tried on a trade, okay, based on the same concept, and 5 minutes where you are looking at, this is the 5 minutes time frame where that particular candle closed above the both the ADRs, ADR 5 as well as ADR 10, and that high of that first 5 minutes candle high to break, that is what my breakout opportunity, where I can find out 2537 is the breakout. The next 5 minutes candle itself, it is broken. So if you are doing a trading in the first 15 minutes, it's a highly riskiest trade, and you need to be very fast and keep your stop loss and target very quickly. And if you are not very fast, you just go for a 15 minutes. Okay, so first 5 minutes is giving you the entry 2537, then it went up to 2594. So from almost 60 points within a 20 minutes, that's good enough. After that, it is gradually increasing and make a new highs. We don't worry. But quick scalping within a 20 minutes, that was giving you such a good result. The first stock, and the second one which I look for MPSs and BSoft, because one of my student he made some profit MPSs and BSoft. He made some good profit BSoft. Here is the first 5 minutes high is broken around 694, and immediately it went up 703, again returned back to the price, and then went up to 707. This is the second trade. And sale also I was seen, there is a good opportunity in sale, and you can see it is a keep on rising around 106, and it went up to 112. Such a good move on sale. That is also be a one more trade. And go forge, that was another trade which giving us such a good result. Here the first candle which is broken 6000, and it went up to quickly, it went up to 6141, which is a big move, and 6200. So on this 5 minutes 3-4 trade is good enough, but the first 5 minutes I had to break. If not broken, so you don't go for an opportunity. Okay, and something like this will never repaint, and Wipro, Infosys also be there in the list, and you can look for a topmost stocks only in the list. Wipro, that given you the breakout, and it went up to Infosys. One trade, if you were able to find out with this indicator, that's good enough, because the overall market is good today, so no problem at all. But this one always will help you to find out such a good and great trade opportunity by using this particular indicator. And second one, which you are looking for 15 minutes, and the Serum Transport, I was seen around 2040, 2040, where I'm looking for Sriram Finance, but I was tried that one. It was slightly gap between buyers and sellers, so that's why I was not looking due to that liquidity issue. I hope you know well how to we check for a liquidity based on our advanced option strategy concept. Also, we are looking for that particular liquidity. So I was not taking any trade by this one. because it is slightly not liquid. But after this, you can look at this, what I condition derived is first candle it not closed, only the second candle which is closed about to the particular level, and this is my entry point. Maybe that candle low or recent swing low or the day low where we can make as a stop loss. And this is what a big move on this, but I missed out, but I was not right. So 2042.85, the next candle itself it given you the trigger, and then it is keep on rising, and it to the peak almost 80 points, which given you the movement. Only one stock, and if you are checking the scanner, it never repaint after 925. Once the stock is there, whether it is profit or loss, it will be stay there. And Chola Finance and LTM entry, these are all the things which is happening on third 5 minutes. Chola Finance, LTM entry. So in the first 5 minutes, it not never happened. Third candle, where you can see first and second candle is not happened. Third candle only it is happening, and here is a buy entry 1210, and it went up to 1226, almost 16 points with a quicker session. And LTI entry, that is also happen on third candle only. So first candle it reaches, but it is not closed above. We need to check the closes above to that particular scanner. Okay, particular levels. Okay, so this is what a 5 minutes, and you can look at our M&M finance. I was seeing there is a trade which I was taken, but due to some classes I missed out of this trade. In the morning, M&M finance, I'll show you what I done for this M&M finance. I took it M&M finance and M. Okay, this one. You are looking at a second 15 minutes, where it is next candle itself is broken. There is an entry 280, and it finally reaches to the peak. I was tried for the option around 10 rupees, and it closed around 20. I'll show. And here sale MPS is Naguri on 15 minutes too. 5 minutes also be there. Sale, that was a great move from that point, and it went up to the peak. And MPS is 15 minutes, that is also B. And this we are looking for. And here Manapuram is the third one that I have seen, that is also looking good. Second candle, second 15 minutes candle Manapuram, that is also works well for this second 15 minutes candle, but it is a huge one, big candle. If I'm to go for a trade at that point, my stop loss would be here. But if you are looking at a 5 minutes, that is happening here at this point, and immediately it moves and then return the back and again move. So using this particular dashboard, it will be filtering out the stocks. So third is ICICI, Kodak Bank and Bank Nifty. So let me check ICICI Bank, but I was not tracking the third candle. Okay, so because of my class. Okay, so third one, it's a huge thing. So don't want to take such a big risky. And Bank Nifty also be there in the list. Okay, this is also the third candle. Maybe if you are taken, is you are taking a huge risk, and that can be triggered stop loss this 15 minutes candle, that we can decide a very smaller risky one. So don't want to go for higher risky. And something like Kotak Bank is happening on the third candle. What is the scanner which help us to find out the trade which is happening? That is pattern which forms. First two candles is good enough by using this. And let me go to check one more stock. Yesterday, I think we missed out on the great opportunity in PFC, first candle itself, and such a good move. And REC also yesterday. And I was tried on yesterday, but I missed out a lot. REC LTD. This one, yesterday is the first candle breakout. So most probably the first candle breakout, if you find one or two stocks, that would be a great opportunity. And steel stocks only. Okay. So if you're looking at here, taken as a support too, but Tata Power, not a Tata, sorry, GMR Infra. Yesterday, here is the breakout, and it is giving you such a good move. But today it was inside between the range, it never moves anywhere. But previously, here is the breakout second candle that was giving you. So I was based on this. I am not my account because I was not doing any trades. And today we are trying with this one of few trades with this pattern. So I'm just showing you how did positions. Yeah, MPS is 2500 call option based on that 91. So smaller amount, which is good enough. I exited 102, then it is giving you 6,000. Okay, that's good enough. And it closed. You can look at the closing price. But if you are patiently waiting, there is a good. So I'm just doing with a quick scalping. 91, 102, closed at 150, 197, 230, closed at 280. That MPSs and Gophers. Manappuram 7.3 and 7.8, closed by 8, so 1 rupee higher. I booked a small profit. And M&M, I took a 10.2 and exited with 10.85 very quickly because I went out. So that's why I closed the position with 1300, but closing price 200. And PFC, I was trying for a pullback. Okay, that is what a support taken. So 14, 1 rupee and 16 is closed. This higher close. L&T Finance Holding, which I take and closed with, and closing with this 20 paisa higher. Only the stock which is a GMR Infra, which I taken and exited with the cost, and that closed 1 rupee lower. But if you are calculating how this generating such a good result based on that indicator, that was working well. So you can try your methods, and you can look at this stocks, whatever the thing which I have taken, everything will be seen in the first list. You can see in the first one, persistence is there. Sorry, sale, I was tried a sale, I was missed out because it is quickly increased. Okay, MPSs will be there, and GoForge will be there. And M&M Finance would be there in the 15 minutes. And PFC I was taken by thing. L&T Finance Holding somewhere I find out. Okay, and GMR Infra, it is happening on next 15 minutes. There is a scanner available. Last 15 minutes also, the dashboard which I have already created, 3 dashboards now. So, but 1 or 2 trades is good enough to make some intraday. So I hope you understood, and don't ask for this particular indicator because I don't know how to do it. Okay, one of my friend to integrate this. I will be familiar with the charting scanners, but I was not familiar with trading view, and even I don't know how to add an indicator and how to do that. Okay, but it's working well. I hope you enjoyed. So those who are my students and those who are my subscribers on my YouTube channel, I was thought to share this. And one more thing, from 1st of December I was doing this, and you won't believe that was giving you such a good result. From 1st December, this is what a thing which I have, but scalping only, many trades which I have done, over trade only. But once I exited one, then only I will find out newer one. So I hope you enjoyed this session, and try from your end, and you make use of the scanner, those who are already in my group. So this may be the video for those who are already in my group. So if you want to join that group, so just contact me, the number shown in this video, and also the link, WhatsApp link available in the description. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you have any other questions and doubts also, you just ping me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Kindly hit the subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you.